Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Python latest version in your PC, Windows 11. So for this, you have to download Python at first. So let's go to the browser and type here Python. Okay, hit enter, and here you can see the first link. So now click here, download the latest version. Okay, download the latest version. Click here, and here you will find downloads option. So you can actually directly download from here, or you can hover on the downloads option here, you can see, and then click here Python 3.14.0. So download it, and I have already downloaded this, so I'm not going to download it once again. So let's go. So we'll go to the downloaded location. So now I will actually select this Python and double click on it, and we'll check everything from here. Okay, and then after that I will actually select here customize installation, and we have check everything here, you can see, for all user. Now I click here next and select install Python 3.14 for all users. Now you can actually drive through any of the drive where you actually want to install. In this case I have only one drive, and that is C drive. If you want to install it in different drive, let's say D drive, E drive, or any other drive, you can actually go through this browse option. So I will suggest you to install it in Windows installation drive, and that is C drive. So now I will actually click here install, and it will actually start installing, and here you can see installing. Okay guys, here you can see we have successfully installed it. Now we'll just click here close, and here you can see it closed. Now we have to set environment variable, but before that we have to check that we have added it or not. I mean, if it is added automatically, so we don't have to actually add it. So type here env and open here by clicking here open, and now click here environment variables. Now select path under system variable. Here you can see we have two paths, right? This path and this path. So we'll actually go for the system variable path and click here edit. And no, we don't have Python here. Yeah, we have already Python here. You can see Python 3.14, right? Yeah, so we got the latest Python. If it is not there, I mean, if it is not added automatically, what we have to do is we have to go to the installation drive. In this case, there's a C drive. So we'll go there and we'll go to the program files. And here you will find Python, this folder. Double click on it. And then you have to actually copy the address bar. Okay. I mean, you have to click the address bar and then copy the URL. So just copy this and go to the edit environment variable option. And you have to click here new, and then you have to add it. So we have already this, right? So we are not going to add it once again, but you have to add it if it is not there. Okay, then click OK. Finally we have installed Python. Let's check if we can access it globally. So we'll type here cmd, and we'll actually open the cmd. Okay, sorry, I will show you once again. So type here cmd, open it. Now we'll say here Python --version. Okay, hit enter. So we got the latest version, and we can access it globally. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching.